scenario. So we have this TIAGo here, and we put some objects there. It was a rough party. And yeah, let's start. So the robot is coming in autonomously.
I am driving to end table.
And yeah, this does not look that interesting, but when you just have one day for making it run on a robot that you not have seen before, it's actually, so we were smiling afterwards.
I will pick the cutlery at the end table. I am driving to end table. I completed the drive to action.
So if you observe the screen here, you also see that it reasons semantically. So it detected, for instance, that there is a table, and we can even change the position slightly. It will search for the table, and now it will search for the objects. Actually, that are the only ones that we brought with us as a backup solution. And yeah, we have reasoning at some other points, hopefully.
I will slightly touch the table.
Usually it goes from the right to the left in image space. We have other approaches that take the closest object. Yeah, what we have seen now is, okay, it failed. That's nice in some respect, but it should have worked. But now it reasons that it failed and will retry again, hopefully. Yeah, here we use a semantic segmentation network, so a pixel-wise classification of the objects.
I will slightly touch the table.
Let's try again, and yeah, actually the spoon is a very hard to cross object because it's not like a cup where you can detect the center of the object. So we also included that it reasons about how it interacts with the table. It's much easier to grasp an object like this, and check if it
I am driving to dining
somehow it touches the table. Oh. Yeah, and it is just going to put it in the bowl, and I also show that it's kind of, it doesn't matter where you put the bowl, actually.
I completed the drop to action.
Yeah, now the robot is looking for the bowl. It takes a while, but all the computation is now done on this single consumer notebook, more or less.
I will slightly touch the ground.
We can do questions afterwards.
Please don't stop.
May note them and ask them later. Okay, drop the, what was it, knife into the bowl. And actually, so we also taught the robot to clean the table and put the things into the dishwasher. Now we don't have a dishwasher here, so that's why it ended up in the bowl. Yeah, and actually it's now going to repeat it sometimes, and at some point it will leave.
I completed the drop to action.
Yeah, let's show one more, and then we will not bore you.